my dear students. How are you? Are you all fine? Good. How's your study going on? Good. Very good. Hey, this is your EVS class. I am your teacher, Seema Saini. In previous video, you have learnt healthy food. Are you eating healthy food regularly? Yes? Very good. Today I'll teach you very interesting topic. But before starting it, I would like to introduce you with someone. Guess who?
Hello, I am Swastik.
Yes, he is Swastik. Swastik eats food. Swastik drinks water. He also talk. He asks many questions to me. He plays with his toys. His favorite sports is cricket. But do you know his bat, his toy? No one eats the food, drinks the water, and also they don't talk to Swastik. Why? Do you know why? Because these all are non-living things, and Swastik, a human being, he is a living thing. So our today's topic is non-living things and living things. Firstly, I'll tell you about living things. Now let's understand with the help of flashcard. Look at the first flashcard. Living things eat food. Living things eat food. Human beings eat fruit, vegetables, pulses, etc. Some animals eat plants and grass, and some animals eat other animals. Now we have next flashcard. Look at this, children. Living things can breathe like this. Breath in, breath in, breath out. Breath in, breath out. Look. Living things breath. When they breathe, they inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. Oxygen in, carbon dioxide out. So living things breath. Now the next flashcard is, have a look. Living things can move like this. Living things move from one place to another place. Right? Now come to the next characteristics of living things. Living things also grow. Like, look at this. Baby grows into adult. Baby grows into adult. Here. Plants grow into tree. Plants grow into tree. A kitten grows into cat. A kitten grows into cat. See? A calf grows into cow. A calf grows into cow. So living things grow. Now next flashcard we have. Look at this. Living things have their babies. Rabbit gives birth to a baby rabbit. Okay, next. A hen gives eggs. A hen gives egg. Egg hatches out the chick. Human being gives birth to a baby. Human being gives birth to a baby. Have a look. A tree produces seeds. A tree produces seeds and seed grows into sapling. Seeds grow into saplings. Now here fish. Fishes give eggs. Fishes give eggs from which small fishes come out. They also called fry. They also called fry. Now I'll tell you about non-living things. Non-living things here. Non-living things don't eat. Non-living things don't eat like living things. Non-living things don't breathe. Non-living things don't breathe. Also, non-living things don't move. Non-living things don't move. Next, non-living things don't grow. They don't grow and they don't have babies. They don't have babies. Students, now here are some examples of living things and non-living things. First, we will see example of living things. Human, plant, tree, fish, bird and elephant. These all are the example of living things. These are living things. Now look non-living things. Book, pen, ink pot, building, car, furniture, glass tumbler. These all are the non-living things. Students, I hope you are able to understand this topic. That's all for today. We will meet soon in next video. Thank you children. Bye bye.